Let's get learning with Santino.
Hi everyone, I'm Santino, and today we'll be learning how to draw a number line from 0 to 10. For this activity, you'll need your own whiteboard and marker so you can draw along and write all the numerals with me on your number line. So, let's get learning! In a previous lesson, we've been talking about what is a number line and how we can use it as a maths tool. This is what a number line looks like. The numbers are written in order, showing one more each time we move this way. What do you notice about the spaces between each number? Can you see that there is an equal space between each line? That's important too. Okay, let's draw a number line. Step 1, we need to draw a line. You can't have a number line without a line. Well, watch me as I draw this straight horizontal line on my board. I'm going to start on the left side and draw my straight line in the middle of the board like this. Nice and long, so it takes up most of the board. Now you have a go at drawing a straight line across the middle of your board. Remember to start on the left side, find the middle, and then draw your horizontal line across. How does your line look? Pretty good. Well, now we're up to step 2. We need to draw a short line going down at the start of our number line. Watch as I draw mine. So here is the start of my number line. I'm going to draw a short line going down like this. And then because it's the start of our number line, I'm going to write a small 0 here. Not too big, just a small 0 like this. Now you have a turn at drawing the short line going down and then a small number 0 underneath. Time for the next step. Now that we've drawn one short line going down at the start, we need to draw 10 more short lines going down all the way along. Notice on this number line that the spaces between each line are the same. They're equally spaced. We need to try to do that too. Watch me first. So I need to draw 10 more lines. To make sure I draw 10 lines, count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, I've drawn my 10 short lines. Thanks for counting with me. I've also tried my best to make sure that the spaces between each line is the same. Notice I have not yet written any more numbers. So now it's your turn to draw just those 10 lines. Off you go. 10 short lines, working slowly and carefully as you try to keep the spaces equal between each one. It's okay if your 10 lines don't reach all the way across. That will come with practice. Have you drawn your 10 lines? Okay, well now we need to check that we have all drawn 10 lines and only 10. So get your pointing fingers ready because I'll point and count to my lines while you point and count to yours. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Have you got 10? Well, if you do have 10, we are ready for the final step. What's missing? The numbers, of course. Now we're going to be writing each number one under each of these lines. Also, notice we're going to start from the smallest number and then move all the way to the biggest number over here. There's not a lot of space, so we need to write our numbers a little bit smaller to make sure that they fit. Watch me as I write the first number first. Okay, I have found the next line. Here it is. And so I'm going to write the number 1 underneath. I'll make it small so I can fit the next numbers after. Here we go. A straight line down and then we're done. This is the way to make a 1. Okay everyone, while I write my numbers, you can write yours. Let's do it together. So first of all, find the next line and write the number 1 underneath, just like I did. And then we'll continue together. So that's where we write number 1, under the next line. Have you written yours? Well then let's move on to number 2. So we find the next line and write a small number 2 underneath. Round the track, then a straight line back, number 2, just like that. Now let's move to the next line and underneath we'll write the number 3. Around the tree, this is the way to make a 3. Now let's find the next line and write number 4 underneath. Down and across, then down once more. This is the way to make a 4. What number will we write under the next line? Yes, the number 5. Straight line down, then around like that. Don't forget 5 needs a hat. Under the next line, we're going to write 6. Down we go and make a loop. Number 6 makes a hoop. Let's move on to the next line and it's time for number 7. Across the sky from left to right, then go down. That's 7, all right? We'll write the next number under the next line, and that's the number 8. Make an S and do not wait, then climb back up to make an 8. Under the next line is the number 9. Ready? A loop and a line makes a 9. We have 1 line left and that's where we'll write the number 10. 1, 0. And there it is, our number line from 0 to 10. Have you written all the numbers on your number line? If you have, then you have completed today's activity. Well done. Now get ready to hold up your boards on the count of 3 to show your number lines. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Fantastic! Okay everyone, put your boards back down and get your pointing finger ready. We're going to use our number line to count. Pointing fingers on the number 0, let's count to 10 and point along as we go. Ready? 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep your finger on the number 10. We're going to go backwards. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Fantastic. So now we've learned how to draw a number line from 0 to 10. It can be a bit tricky at first, but you'll get better with practice. So spend some time practicing drawing number lines on a whiteboard. You might want to use a number line next to you to help you as a guide, or you can go back to the beginning of this video and we could do it all again together whenever you like. Now, if you want a challenge, then try to draw a number line from 0 to 20. Then you could roll a dice and find some numbers on your number line. Enjoy drawing number lines, everyone. Happy learning and see you next time. Be sure to like and subscribe. There's lots more to see. Come back again soon for more learning with me.